choose results, and conclude. Your team is talented. So, why are they spending half of their week copying data, sending follow up emails, and updating spreadsheets? Today, we are talking about a tool called Anytime. It automates all of that. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your first workflow. Let's go. So, Anytime is a workflow automation platform. Think of it as middleman between all your business tools. Your CRM, your email, your WhatsApp, your spreadsheet. Right now, none of them talk to each other. Anytime makes them talk. So, how does it actually works? It works on a canvas like whiteboard. You place blocks like called nodes, each node in one app or one action, and you can connect them in the order you want things to happen. So it is visual, no coding? No coding at all. And it connects to over 400 tools out of the box. Google Sheets, HubSpot, Slack, Stripe, WhatsApp, and Notion. If your business uses it, and it can almost certainly support it. What separates it from something like Zapier? Two things that matters a lot. One, you embed AI inside your workflow, not just automate steps, but actually make decisions within them. Two, you can self-host it. Your data stays on your own server. For any business handling clients' information, this is a big deal. Give me a real situation where this changes things. So a lead fills out a contact from your website. Right now, someone on your team sees it, manually add it to CRMs, send a welcome email, creates a follow-up task, and notifies the salesperson on Slack. This is 5 steps done by human every single time. And with Anytime, the form is submitted in 3 seconds. The CRM is updated, the email is sent, the task is created, the Slack message is fired. Nobody touched it. And that is just one workflow. You can build the same for invoicing, client reporting, support tickets, social media posting. Businesses doing this properly are getting back 20 plus hours every week. This is real time going back to real work. So how does someone actually start? Walk me through it. Step 1. Go to anytime.in. Create a new account, cloud version, nothing to install. So you are in. Now what? Step 2. Click new workflow. You will see a blank canvas. There is where you build. And then you add the trigger. Exactly. Step 3. A trigger is what starts the whole thing. Say you want it to fire when someone fills a Google form. Click the plus button, search Google Forms, select one form submission. Connect your Google account. This is your start point set. Then you added. What's next? Step 4. Add an action node. Search Gmail. Select send email. Now here's where it gets good. Anytime shows you all the data that came in from the form. The name, the email, the message. You just click the map those into the email fields, it pulls it automatically. So you are not typing anything manually? Not a single thing. Step 5. Hit executive workflow. Submit a test form. Watch the email arrive. If it works, you toggle it to active and it runs forever from the point. How long does this actually take someone who has never done it before? Honestly, first workflow is under 30 minutes. And once you build one, the next one takes half the time. Now, if you want to go deeper, understand how to build this into your actual business operations. Not just one workflow, but a full system. Visit our website, the link is in the description. And if this kind of content is useful to you, subscribe. We break down one tool, one concept, one strategy every single week. This is Insight Consulting. See you in the next episode.